which means one of the fastest ways to influence your stiffness is not by force, it's by safety. Often, the issue is permission. Permission to soften the body, permission to yield, permission to move without anticipating threat. So how do we give the body that permission? Forcing a stretch is not usually the answer. If the body's already organizing around your protection, then pushing harder sometimes deepens the protective response. This is why you go to stretch and you feel worse later, or something gets strained because you push too hard, or you get a massage and afterwards you feel worse. Your system learns to brace against force. It contracts around the demand you're putting on it. And afterwards, you might feel looser for a minute, but not truly freer, because freedom doesn't come from override. It comes from regulating at the deepest level of the nervous system. Safety first, and change evolves. So when I talk about restoring glide, I'm not talking about dominating the tissue. I'm talking about changing the environment that your tissue lives in, your internal landscape. It includes your breath, the pace that you're going through life, your attention to things or lack of attention, your sense of choice or lack of choice, your visual field in the periphery or not, your expectations, who you think you are, your whole history. Basically makes up your autonomic state, that underground thrumming of how you live life, either working into fight or flight, freeze or fear, or rest and relax. All of it matters. Because fascia isn't just structural, it's actually sensory. That fascia is richly innervated. It has nerve endings and vascularity and lymphatics in it, and it's always participating in a feedback loop of how the body senses itself. It's that feedback coming to say, oh, a little right, a little left, a little right, tip of the nose. So if the nervous system's on alert all the time, the fascia often reflects that alertness because it begins to tense. And if your nervous system can begin to settle and quiet, the fascia reflects that as well.